Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today, you can see I have a new look. I decided to do a little ponytail for the weekend. So I am liking this ponytail. I think I'm gonna make the braid a little thicker, but I'm liking it. But I just wanted to do something fun, so I decided to do this pink cut crease with glitter. I think it came out really, really cute. You guys let me know what you think below. Also, please continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Alright beauties, getting started. We're using the L'Oreal Brow Frame and Set in the color Warm Brunette. This has been my go-to since I found it. This pomade is really good. It's very similar to Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. It's working a little bit harder now because I left the cap off of it like 2 times, so it's kind of dried out, but I'm making it work. So did my hair like strokes, got the brows together. Now we're about to snatch them with this concealer and shape them and clean up everything. When I do my brows, I don't try to make them perfect. I just use the concealer for that. Now this is the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm using the pink color in there. There's no names on that palette. Then I'm going into the Perception palette from ColourPop Cosmetics with Makeup Shayla and using the color Culture to blend out the harsh lines. Any tan color would work. Then I went into the Festival palette from Juvia's Place, and I went into the pink color in that palette just to go into my crease and to add dimension. Back into the Perception palette, and we're using that burgundy color there and just putting that right into the crease to add even more dimension. Then mixing the 2 red and pink color to blend out any harsh lines from that burgundy color. And then using a brush with no product on it to blend out any harsh lines. Now we're going to cut the crease using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I used the color Pure Beige. And I'm just taking my time to make sure that the crease is as precise as possible. And right here, I lost footage, but I had put a light pink onto the lid. And I went back into the burgundy color now, and I'm just deepening up the outer V. And now I'm blending out that color because I don't want it to be too intense. Just add a little more dimension. Then into the NYX glitter glue because we're preparing our lid for our glitter. These 2 glitters are from Amazon, and they have different packages for like $12 for like 40 glitters. That was Mariah. Now I'm adding some glitter to my lid, and I'm just taking my time to make sure I don't go over the crease. Blended away the extra glitter, and this is what we have so far. Looking good so far. Now I just blended to make sure there's no harsh lines with no product. And then I'm using the matte liquid liner from NYX to create my wing. The wing is going to be the most exaggerated part. The eyeliner on the inner part of the eye will be thin because I don't want to take away from the crease work. Looking good, looking good. Now back into Zulu palette from Juvia's Place and into that champagne color as my brow highlight. Then into the e.l.f. Glow Lotion so we can start to prepare our face for our foundation. Then into the Becca Evermatte Poreless Primer so we can minimize our pores. Now into the Estee Lauder Youth Serum and the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay. I like to mix these two. The Estee Lauder has SPF 25 in it. And I'm blending these two to create the perfect color combination. The Maybelline is way too golden, but the Estee Lauder is too neutral, but the two together make the perfect complexion. Then into the LA Girl Pro Conceal and the color Pure Beige as my highlight. I like to start by going down the sides of my nose where I'm going to contour my nose and then bring it out from there. Underneath the chin, cheekbone and forehead, and nose. And then this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal and Beautiful Bronze as my contour. And I just go around the perimeter of my head, my cheekbones, down the sides of my nose, under my cheekbones, or actually under my chin. And I blend it out with an e.l.f. stippling brush for the contour. Then I'm blending out the highlight with this blending sponge. This is just a Real Technique sponge. Now we're going to work on setting everything, and I'm going to be going in with my CoverGirl translucent powder in medium tan, and then going into the deeper color called Tawny to set the contour. Now we're going to contour and bronze up with the CoverGirl Ebony Bronze Bronzer. Then we're going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup powder to set underneath the eyes. Also adding a little bit of extra powder under the eyes because I'm going to start putting the eyeshadow underneath the eye, and I don't want that to, the fallout to mess up my under eyes. So having that powder there is going to be like a barrier. And I like to go around my mouth. Now we're going to start with the under eye, and we're going into that burgundy color and blending that underneath the eye. Then into that pink color from the Festival palette and blending that together as well to create a gradient. Then into this white color as our inner corner highlight. Now we're going to blend away the excess powders. Then back into the Ebony Bronze Bronzer just to contour the nose. And a little bit more of the Sacha Buttercup powder just to set the nose contour. Then into this L'Oreal Extra Intense eyeliner, I'm just putting that into my waterline. And then the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Now going into these lashes from AliExpress. And then the Saharan Volume 2 blush palette into the color B. For my highlight, we're using Boomin' from the ColourPop Shayla collection. Poppin'. Yes. Glow like a disco ball, honey. And then blending a little bit more blush into that. Then I'm adding my lashes. Then back into the NYX liner to go over my lash band. Now into this Spice lip liner. This is just like a beauty supply brand. And then this lip is from Makeup by Bo, but I don't see the name on it anymore. But it was just like a nude lip. And then I'm adding Quickie on top of that from the Shayla ColourPop collection. And then into the Venti Galaxy gloss. And this is the final look, you guys. Yes. Hi beauties, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It came out really good. I had to do voiceover because we're actually having a movie night with my family, so I'm doing this while we're watching the movie and it's extremely loud. So my next tutorial I'll definitely be talking with you guys and it'll be more personal, but I hope you guys enjoy this look. It's really cute, pink and fun, and I just wanted to do something that was a little fun after I did that smoky eye that was so intense. I was thinking of what else should I do. If you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments below and I'll be glad to go ahead and do any look that you may have in your mind that you may want me to do. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate you guys watching my videos so much. Please continue to like the video so we can continue to grow, and share so other people can learn how to get these looks. And also please subscribe so we can continue to just flourish and let this channel go above and beyond. Thank you guys so much once again for your support. Have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.